Did you know a peaceful lake once killed 1,700 people in minutes without making a sound? Lake Nyos in Cameroon looked like paradise. Crystal clear water, quiet villages nearby, families living normal lives. Until August 21st, 1986. Without warning, the lake released a massive invisible cloud, pure carbon dioxide, racing through villages at 60 miles per hour. People dropped dead instantly. Entire families found motionless in their beds. Children collapsed while playing. Livestock scattered dead across fields. Survivors described something terrifying: complete silence. No birds singing, no insects buzzing, nothing. The gas was so thick it pushed out all the oxygen for miles. Over 1,700 people suffocated in minutes. Thousands of animals dead. They never saw it coming, never heard it, never smelled it. Scientists later discovered the horrifying truth. The lake had been a geological time bomb, accumulating deadly gas in its depths for decades. All it took was one catastrophic burp of death, nature's perfect silent killer, hidden beneath the surface of paradise.